Come take a look at this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 8,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front cloth bucket with Cowan, heated seat cushions and seat backs, remote vehicle starter system, defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, console, floor-mounted, reconfigurable, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, summit white diamond tricoat, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim, seating, heated driver and front passenger, power outlet, 110-volt AC, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, engine, 5.3L flex fuel. EcoTech 3 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, steering column, manual tilt and telescoping, all-star edition, tires, P265/65 all-terrain, black wall, tire, spare P265/70 all-season, black wall, fog lamps, front, halogen, theft deterrent system, unauthorized entry, rear vision camera with dynamic guidelines, recovery hooks, front, frame mounted, black, LPO, rear under-seat storage, composite storage bin, LPO, polished exhaust tip, trailering package and the paint, solid. Call 877-705-40764 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.